Alright, theory is cool, but let's make it tangible. What does supervised learning look like in the wild, in the real world? Let's start from the banking. Starting from credit score system or bank loan approval, where you're gonna have input like age, income, credit score, and the output we're gonna say your loan approved or rejected. Let's move to the health world in the medical diagnose. You have here input like medical scan images, and the output gonna decide whatever you have a disease or not, and what's even the disease type. And much more, starting from self-driving car to customer prediction, stock forecasting, and even email spam detection in Gmail. All of them inside the supervised learning.